tubing is used, but stainless steel is also available. FlowPro cross-flow muffler shown. Interior tone level is mild to moderate with this FlowPro True dual exhaust. Thank you, Randy and Alicia, for coming from Coos Bay, Oregon. We carry AFE, Air Raid, and K&N to further optimize your vehicle's performance. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. At Rich's, you can pick your sound and your tips before you buy. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. See it and hear it before you buy it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.